Yeah, it's a bit dark, but not too cold this morning. Beautiful.
Good morning, everybody. And good morning, ladies. It's going to be another beautiful day. Could be a bit of rain rolling through today, but that's all right. We'll be looking at we're doing some more paperwork today. Got to take care of some more stuff for that shed inspection. That's coming up on Wednesday, so pretty uneventful to then. Just a lot of paperwork, prepping, getting ready. First girl on the bucket. Come on, ladies, up we go. Yes. Interesting to see how much milk we see today. How are we this morning?
Oh, a bunch of fluffy.
It's alright, we got Tree in the first row. Morning, Mum.
Morning.
Beautiful day it's going to be.
Monday morning.
What's your guess for today?
What was it yesterday?
31, 30.
36.
36, Dad, what's your guess? Dad?
33, 32, 80.
It was 31, 30 yesterday.
32, 80.
Okay, yep. My guess is 33, 20. Great, just the penicillin girls to bring in, and that's us. All the penicillin milk we got. Well, we got 2 buckets we filled up straight from the system of them putting our first wash through, and 2 buckets of penicillin here. I was just finishing washing up. We're all done in here. I'll wait till I wash those. I'll wash those with the cafeterias and that. Once Dad's done, I'll go and help him now. Go feed some calves. Yeah, I pulled out the book. I didn't actually help him feed the calves. He's got it sorted. He's feeding 3 pens at the same time. So, he's well into it. I'm just going to go fill up the big calf trailer. We're going to go get that ready. And then, once we've got that ready, we will go and feed out those little calves out the side. 1, 2, 3. Feeding 3 pens at the same time. The fish finished washing up. We'll go quickly wash this up. Won't take long. Just give this a quick rinse. Stop any rotten milk smell coming out of here. Just give this a quick rinse. I grabbed 3 buckets out of that and 1 bucket out of that. There's the colostrum, the penicillin milk, and the washings added to 3 buckets. Wasn't quite 4. So it was more like 1 there and 2.5 there, so keeps those calves all full and fed and keeps this area nice and clean. Alright. You alright washing these up, Mum, for us? Don't have to. Yeah, all good. Fair enough. Alright, let's go feed some calves. Here's your apron. All good. Thank you. Finished all the other pens. Just got this pen to go. You did?
The smaller calves today.
This one?
No, better not. Only 5 today, Carl.
Just the 5.
Not far to go today. Only 5 trips. I did offer to help, but lots to. It was exercise, he said. Or pulling a back muscle, and then I got to carry them all across.
So heavy.
Little mini me.
It's so little. Pity.
Well,
She'd been born 3 weeks earlier. Would have been a kid. All of these girls.
you'd normally say lucky last, but I'd say unlucky last today.
Hey?
Full as little family pose they are. And that's the gate.
Have it stacked away. Here's off to wash those all up. And we'll go find some other little calves just down here. 34 little calvies on, happy as. So, we generally wean them off between 6 and 8 weeks old. So, for the 20th of the 7th, no, 34 was on the 18th of the 7th, so it'll be the 9th, so about middle of September we'll be looking at weaning these fellas off. I'll be happy as. Middle of September to a little bit earlier. Oh, you little bugger. There's still heaps of milk in there. Hey, what do you attack me for? What are you? You attacked me, you're so full. So yeah, we'll be looking at weaning them off middle of September. Each time. Or Dad might want to do it a bit earlier at 6 weeks, which is start of September. So yeah. Oh, hey, a full little coffee. Just again, we'll make sure everyone's had a good feed. Anyone that's starting to fall behind in here, you'll notice not having as good of a feed. And what we'll do is we'll actually take them back when they're finished. When the next mob comes outside, that one that's in this mob will probably go back into that mob. So he's alright, he's had a good feed. So everyone seems to be keeping up quite well. If she does fall behind by more, when this next mob comes out here, which hopefully is in a couple of weeks, this mob will go into behind my house there, and then we'll take that calf back and put her in this mob. Still in the middle of the paddock there, starting to graze into the grass. They finished their meal from last night, so hopefully we're going to have some more bags arrive someday soon. Nice and clean, washed every day. Bundy Buck, you silly cow. Dang, Bundy Buck. Three little calvies today. 2 nice black Herefords, white faces, and 1 brown Hereford white face. This is a bit of rot that was left in the silage here. So I picked through it and ate the good parts. Dad's onto that one. We'll follow up old little gummy here. Yeah, it's probably the rotten part. Yeah. We'll put it with the herd today. She'll do well on the herd. Awesome. Come on. Follow these girls up. We've got 1 more to get out. Come yet. Let's push these cows past Mum so she can watch them. And with that, 1 more to go. Dad will go get her and I'll go feed out this bale of silage. There we go. Feed out our bale of silage. About 85, 86 cows left in that mob there. Not many left.
Morning. Yeah, 3 beautiful little Herefords today. Beautiful day. Might get some grass growth today.
Pushing the cows that way. Perfect. That's another 3 in the mob. I'll just wait for the tractor here. What's it doing, Dad?
The same time doing 2.4, but
I don't think it's right, no. Got 171 at the moment, including our colostrum girls and our penicillin girls that are up the front in their own little paddock by the cow shed. So what they'll do is I'll pick through that silage today, eat the best of the silage. They'll be happy. Go put some calves in the pen. Little bulling cow over there, bulling. Calves in the pen. Dad's feeding a little fella by bottle. Nah, hadn't had a drink. Yeah, and that little fella there. Another one for Hamish if he wants you. Little girl. Well, not little, good size.
big girl, alright.
Yep, we got our 2 Hereford keepers here. That all the calves are put in here. We fed that little one nice and full. Yep, awesome. And I'm off to Mum and Dad's in the big tractor. Oh, see you all up there. Then we're off to Grandad's to go feed out 6 bales of silage. And then that'll be us. Better fill her up before I go. She's getting pretty empty. Doing a bit of driving around. Splitting up. Dad's going one way. He's going to go sort out his paperwork for the shed inspection coming up, with making sure that we get dockets for the returns of our containers and things for recycling. And I've got this. There's all majority of the information we need. Sign in, hazard register, all that important information for our Mr. Shed Inspector. With that, let's get up to Dad's runoff. Go feed out to some calves. We are up at Dad's. Gonna go feed his beefies 2 bales of silage first. Happy beefies eating the silage. And take these 2 bales to the top of the hill and put those up there ready for Dad. Because he's probably going to hook up the trailer and take 2 of them back to the farm. And then I'm going to come back down and pick up that bale there. gonna pick up these 2 little bits of plastic, and then we'll go up and have some brekkie while we wait for Dad. Once Dad gets here, we're gonna shoot off to Grandad's. There he is, Argo's leading the way. Dad's ready on his way down. There you go, Grandad. Flat stick, yep, we better get a move on. Feed out another 6 bales of silage today. Grandad, he's really well into it. We better get there. Beautiful silage. To your back window. Yeah, he's gonna go feed out 2 bales in that paddock where Grandad is. And I'll keep opening these bales up, get them ready. Yeah, Grandad, he's off to go get the cow, the little calves, the yearlings. Dad's in the middle of feeding out over there. And I've just finished opening these other 3 bales. There he goes. Right. First bale fed out. I'll help load up this next bale. Beautiful bales of silage. I'll go wait down here at the gateway. I'll put that reel across so that the calves get diverted into this paddock. Grandad's just gone to go get them. After that bale fed. There he goes. Put the reel up. Dad's going to feed out this paddock next. Grass is not very long, but can't be up with the weather we've had. It's still wet up here. Look at how soft the ground is. Bale number 3. Dang it, missed it again. That's alright. Go watch him feed out. Ow. Fast. Go, Granny, go, go. You didn't want to slow down too much. Feed out there, and for the calves there. Perfect. Oh, all done. That's us done for up at Grandads too. Oh, with that, they're looking very happy, Grandad. They've put on a bit of weight too. Yeah, silage helps a lot. So that, I'll see you all at milking tonight. Hey, Grandad. Thank you. Afternoon, everybody. Yes, the tanker has been. And who got closest today? With a total of 3,184 litres. Dad was the closest by 20 litres. Followed by me at 120 litres. Followed by Mum at 220 litres out. But that's all right. Dad was the winner today. Mum still wasn't too far out. That's what we got so far. We're down 9% for the season. 350 solids behind. For the month, we're behind 100 solids. And we're actually not doing too bad, but that is something I've not seen before. Our somatic cell count is below 100. And has been, bar one day, so far since we've been sending milk. That's incredible. Right, I better wash this vat and get to it. How we doing, Mama San? The girls are coming in. I am just putting the last hot water through the cold acid to the vat. Then we're going to put a rinse through, and then we'll get to it. I'm probably just about to start milking actually. By the time I put the rinse cycle through and it comes through. Okay, well, last 2 rows, the binner's coming. Awesome.
I finally made it into the shed.
But you've been here for at least over half a milk. So you got this girl here's on the bucket. This girl here on the bucket. It's just the 2 on the bucket in this row. That's good. Both down that end. See you ladies. Good night. Yeah, just waiting for Dad to go get the peanuts in. And we'll get on to those girls. Girls are happily milking away. Yeah. Quite nicely. There you go, heifer. Hello. Enjoying the meal, those girls. Pretty uneventful end of milking. Just took care of our penciling girls back out there again. I was just taking the cups off, going to hang them up. Now I'm going to shoot off and go and help Dad finish feeding those calves. Should be about 2 or 3 pens in by now, so it's going to take a little while to wash up and everything. Waiting for this to fill up. So that will roll. There's a slight mess up. Had these calves decide to mix with these ones through this gate, so Dad sorted them out. Hey, turn my back for 1 second. So Dad sorted them out. Now I'm just feeding them. He's already fed that mob there. Yet to feed the far one. There's 17, so it's easier with 2 people. And we fed these ones back here, so easy peasy. Right, Dad? Happy with your calves? Growing well? You got some good black white faces this year?
Good. Looking good.
Yeah. Good little calves now. Look at the size of him compared to that one. Look at that. Big toughy. Strong.
Not fine there. Oh well, are your ones finished?
Yep, we're all finished over here. Right, you want to take that? Let's go. Looking like the 17 are full. Hello, you. Are you full? No, you want more, but you're not allowed more. Everyone's had a good drink. It's good. Right. Oh, sorry, Suki. Give them some more meal. They all got more meal. Ouch. Stand on my toes. Ow. Ow. Okay, hang them up like that. Stops the birds crapping in them and also lets it drain out nicely. What I did was I just lowered their feeder a little bit, the meal feeder, so that they get a bit more, can access the meal more easily. Cool. Alright, let's jump in and out, Dad. Feed the babies. Thank you, John Corbin. Another 10 bags of calf meal for us. All finished feeding the calves. I'm going to go and put half of this bag that I've got on my shoulder. Oh, I dropped it. Half of that bag into that container. The other half can go out to those calves for tomorrow. But first, I'll do that and then we're going to go lock some cows away. What are you using? I didn't even see it grow a calf meal. So it's got in it a bit of maize, a bit of wheat, everything. Little pellets. Perfect. These calves going, growing well. Sweet. Go lock these cows away. Down a little bit, but that's only because we're running off 1 metre rather